Hello, today I'll show you how to make a infinite zoom effect in Scratch. As you can see, this is a very cool effect that goes on forever. So let's get started. First, keep the cat and delete costume 2. Now select everything and move the place you want it to move, zoom into the center point, which is that. Now, paint a new sprite, a new costume named Big. Then draw anything and delete it so it's 0 by 0. Paint another one called Big, this time using the box tool and making the size 500 or 500 by 500 or 1 pixel less, so 499 times 499. Now, when green flag is clicked, hide, set size to 100, go to 0, 0, create a new variable named ID for this sprite only. Now, switch costume to costume 1, set ID to B for Big, and create a clone of myself. Now, set ID to S for small, switch costume to Big 2, which should be renamed to small. Then switch costume to set size to 1, and then switch costume to costume 1. And lastly, create a clone of myself. Now when I start as a clone, show forever if else greater than 80, size greater than 80, switch costume to small in else, and switch costume to big at this part. Now, another if else ID equal S, and then in the else if size is greater than 900,000, or 9 and then 5 zeros, then delete this clone. Now in here, if size is greater than 99, which is basically if it's greater than 100 or if it is 100. Now, we will do set ID to S, and then duplicate all of this from here. Then, set size to 100, go to back layer, go forward 1 layers, and also to make sure to add a go to front layer before to create a clone of myself. And lastly, set ID to B. Now, down here, change size by size divided by 10, and then lastly switch costume to costume 1. Now if you test it, as you can see, this is a nice infinite zoom effect in Scratch. Now you have a cool infinite zoom effect in Scratch. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.